This is top bar. Here is a home page. In a top bar, there is a two childs, brand, div, and nav. If top bar, there is no CSS display flex, it would be like this. Inside of top bar, we have two div, brand and nav, like block element, 100% wide. Top bar also block element, 100% wide. Body element, 100% over all screen. It means that top bar would be over all screen, 100%. Brand inside top bar, nav inside top bar would be 100%. Inside top bar, two childs would be one below other. But if top bar with display flex, childs stay parallel, align in one row, brand left, nav right. First, I will demonstrate how childs get in one row side by side. This moment, brand, my company and logo is left. It is brand div, and the right side is navigation, nav div, home, product, contact. Now I will remove display flex. Okay, this here it is top bar and class top bar, and here is display flex. I will delete it, refresh, and look at my company logo, and my company is one row, home, products, contact is a second row. Get back, edit. Here it is, display flex, refresh, and here it is my company left and home, products, contact right. What property send brand left and nav right? This property justifies content, space between. If I delete it, here we are, refresh, you see logo, my company, home, products, contact, all on the left side. After undo and the justify content is again here, and we have brand left and home, product, contact, space between. Space between is all space what rest after my company and after home, products and contact. Look at in class nav. In class nav, gap. Gap, I make 122 instead of 12. And look what happened. Refresh. Look at home, products, contact. Now we know it is gap. Class brand has display flex, align items, center. It is alignment, vertical alignment, that center, and gap 10 pixels. It is brand, left side, and also nav display flex gap 12 pixel and align items center. Nav and brand are childs of top bar. Top bar is display flex, and it is important for childs, brand and nav. But brand and nav also display flex because they want to keep in row oven elements. Thank you for watching.